1985, a year when the world was changing fast. And in the world of cars, one machine rolled out that didn't just redefine driving, it turned it into an art form. We're talking about the BMW 3 Series, the legendary E30. The E30, which was the second generation of the 3 Series, was launched in 1982. But the 1985 model stands out. Its boxy silhouette, sharp lines, and classy chrome details made it one of the most iconic shapes of the 1980s. This was the era of BMW's bold promise, the ultimate driving machine, and the E30 lived up to every word of it. Performance and engine. In 1985, the BMW 3 Series was available in several variants, the 318i, 325e, and the performance-focused 325i. The 318i came with a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine producing around 100 horsepower. But if you wanted real power, the 325i gave you a 2.5-liter inline-6 with up to 170 horsepower. But power wasn't the only story here. The real magic was in the handling. With rear-wheel drive, near-perfect weight distribution, and responsive steering, this car made every corner a joyride. Interior and features. Step inside the E30, and you're greeted by a space built for the driver. The dashboard is slightly tilted toward the driver, everything designed for comfort and control. The instrument cluster was clean and analog, no flashy lights or screens, just pure driving information. Depending on the trim, you'd get features like electric windows, air conditioning, and even a manual sunroof, luxury features at that time. The seats, available in leather or premium cloth, were designed for support, whether you were cruising or carving corners. And if you were lucky enough to own a manual version, you got that iconic BMW gear shifter, short, crisp, and mechanical perfection. Legacy and cultural impact. Today, the E30 isn't just an old BMW, it's a certified classic. From car collectors to weekend racers, the E30 has a fanbase that spans generations. You'll see it in car shows, drift tracks, YouTube builds, or lovingly restored in someone's garage. Why? Because the E30 wasn't just a car. It was, and still is, a driver's machine. If you're a lover of vintage cars, the 1985 BMW 3 Series deserves a top spot on your list. It's not just a car from the past, it's a symbol of timeless engineering, pure driving pleasure, and lasting design.